So many people talk about the future of digital twin. We are actively building it. My name is Ezekiel Ochuko, an intern at OpenQQuatify Company. And this platform is being developed under the mentorship of Paul Savluc, the founder and CEO of OpenQQuatify Company. So what you are seeing here is not just a map. It is a live 3D environment where real-world locations are reconstructed with buildings, vehicles, and AI-driven entities. So, looking at the top right, you see a tick which represents represents the simulation life cycle. Okay. Um, it's also the simulation clock. Everything advances the physics and AI logic. So the system also track real GPS coordinates, meaning every entity exists at a real world location. We can actually also turn on our satellite. We can stop and start our simulation anytime. We can also search for any geolocation, play around with objects in this environment. Like the environment is very friendly, can play around with objects in this environment. So let's try by turning on our GPS. Okay, let's try. Okay, you can see that immediately my GPS is turned on. So let's stop tracking, turn it off. Let's try by searching for any geolocation. Let's search for a place like New York. Search for a place like New York City, New York, United States, New York, United States. Okay, so let's search. Alright, you can see immediately it moves to only okay. Just like I said, uh, we can load 3D buildings in this environment. So let's try and let's turn it on. Let's see how the 3D the environment look. The buildings are coming up. Okay, you see the environment, the 3D buildings and everything. So we can actually also unload them. Okay, we can unload them from the environment. The follow This follow user and track vehicle allows the camera to follow the users or entity dynamically, which helps to visualize the movement, behavior, and interaction in real time. Okay, so let's download this 3D and try to play around with objects in the environment, such as let's place a car. Okay, let's place a car. Alright, so let's try to track our vehicle where it is. Alright, look at where our vehicle is. We can also label nearby, like we can unlabel them too. So these also we can also start our simulation, and immediately you see the satellite orbiting the earth. Okay, so let's try to start up our simulation immediately to see how the satellite do orbit and the behavior. Okay, so just watch out, see, start. Okay, you can see immediately the vehicle is registered and how the satellite started what orbiting. Okay, we can also stop it. We can stop it because immediately the brain, the the vehicle stop. Like we can also start it again. As in immediately the red turns to yellow again. Okay, so let's go back to our first. So this is one of our goal in OpenQQuatify Company. One of our mission is to secure a better world through medical technology, the robotics, and digital twin, whether it's simulation for doctors or prediction for engineers. We are pushing the boundaries of what is uh, possible with generative AI. So behind the screen is powered by a simulation logic, AI controllers, and real-time rendering pipeline. Okay, let's go back to it. So this AI also understand the environment. You can actually drive to any location of just. You can also span vehicle in this environment too. So you can you can also join our open door community of engineers, doctors, visionaries, and let's build the future together. Thank you.